So there are a lot of parts of your body that move, both internally and externally. But for the purposes of this connection, we're going to focus on movement as in walking across the room. So in order to do that, a message needs to be sent to your brain telling you that you want to move in some way. And so your brain is a part of your nervous system. And the job of your nervous system is to send messages. So that's exactly what it does. It sends messages to control the contracting and relaxing of muscles based on the information gathered from the environment, whether that's raising your hand, chewing your food, or walking across a room. And so once the muscles receive that message, then the skeletal muscles, which are connected to bones, when they contract and relax, that causes the bone to move. So contracting and relaxing causes the bone to move. Because it's attached to bone, that bone lifts up and down and provides that shape and structure and support to be able to walk across the room. If you didn't have your skeletal system, your muscles would just contract and relax, and you would have to inch along, kind of like an inchworm or a snake. So, or even an earthworm. Snakes do have bones. So the bones there's a lot of different ways that your body moves, both internally and externally. For the purposes of this activity, we're going to focus on moving as in moving across the room or raising your hand. So movement that occurs that physically moves your body. In order for that to happen, it has to start with a message that's received from the environment, whether it's that you are startled by something and you need to run. Maybe it is that you're hungry and so you need to lift food to your mouth. But whatever that is, your nervous system, your brain, receives a message. And it then sends that message to control your muscles. So it sends a message to control the contracting and relaxing of muscles based on whatever that information may have been. And those muscles are skeletal muscles, which are connected to bones. And so when those muscles contract and relax, that causes your bones to move. If you think about contracting or flexing your bicep, that's that muscle in your upper arm, when you contract that, it lifts your arm up. Or the same with that big thigh muscle on the front. When you contract that, it straightens your leg out. So the reason that's happening is your muscles contract and relax, and then they pull on your bones. And so when they contract and relax, that causes the bones to move. And so when they contract and relax in the right way, then your bones provide the structure and support to allow you to be able to walk across the room or lift something up. If you didn't have those bones, then when your muscles contracted and relaxed, you would inch along the floor kind of like an earthworm. Totally different experience. So we're really grateful for the fact that our nerves, our muscles, and our bones all work together to help us successfully walk across a room.